Good afternoon, friends. Welcome to third match between ECC vs KCC. Before knowing the stats of the every player, please subscribe my Telegram channel so that if there is any change in the lineup, so that I can inform you the info in my Telegram channel. So go to the Telegram channel and type target for Grand League so that you will get my channel, and please subscribe my channel, and I will inform you the every details in my channel only, and I will give you the teams in my channel only, and we will know the stats of the wicketkeeper. First of all, A Ali is a good player, and his stats is 21 matches, 285 runs. I think he will come to bat as the lower middle order only. So if you it's your choice to take him or not. A Singh is another average batsman from KCC, and he will come to bat as the middle order batsman only. His stats is 13 matches, 84 runs and 1 wicket. So if you want to consider him, so go with him. If you don't want to, so it's your choice only. Either you want to go or not. And Mohammad is the very good attacking batsman, selected by 6% only, but his stats are very good and he will bowl also. And his stats is 6 matches, 105 runs, 5 wickets. If he is there in this match, try to pick him as an important player only. He is a very good player. G Krishna is another good opening from KCC side, and his stats is 14 matches, 236 runs. So try to go with two keepers because two keepers are very important. As I said, N Mohammad and G Krishna are two important players, and please try to go with two of them because you can get good points in Dream 11. And we will go to the stats of the batsman side. W Ali is another good player from ECC side because he is the opening batsman, and his stats is 13 matches, 252 runs, and try to keep him as the player only. Don't go with as a captain or vice captain because he will give you points from bat. G Sarup is the opening batting from KCC side, and his stats is 19 matches, 275 runs, 28 wickets. He is a very important player. You can keep captain or vice captain because he is the batting order, but he will bowl also. So try to keep him a captain only. So very good important player. S Sharma is the opening pair for G Swaroop, and S Sharma will come as the opening pair. So try to keep both of them in the team. And S Sharma stats is 18 matches, 356 runs. Very good player, and he can consider good runs because top order batting is very important in T10, and the first 3 overs will be power play so that S Sharma and G Swaroop can score very big runs. So try to keep their combination. And S Latif, and he will be coming to middle ordering batsman, 8 matches, 252 runs, and he is a very good technical batsman. If he is there in this match, so try to go with him because he can consider some good runs. R Ahmad is the lower middle order batsman, and his stats is 10 matches, 132 runs, 1 wicket, and he can if there is a chance, then only he can score. It's your choice to take with him or not. And 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 Chamal is the very lower middle order batsman only, 10 matches, 104 runs. If it's your choice to take him or not, and if you want to go with him, it's your choice. And next we will learn the all-rounder side. Iman is a very good opening batsman and a very 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 important player. He is selected by 18% only, but his stats are very good, and he will come as the opening batsman from ECC side. Try to pick him and only captain only because his stats are 21 matches, 329 runs and 30 wickets because he can consider runs with bat and ball. So try to keep him as a captain or vice captain only. And A Kalyal is another good middle order batting side, and he is a very good batsman also, and he is selected by lowest percentage, but try to keep him important player only. His stats are 19 matches, 245 runs, 27 wickets. He is a very excellent player. A Mohammad also middle order batting. If the top order will fail, then middle order will play. So middle order will be A Kalyal, A Mohammad. So try to keep them an important players. A Mohammad stats are 15 matches, 103 runs, 15 wickets. Don't keep as a captain. Try to keep as a vice captain only because I think he will not come to bat, but he will bowl only. So try to keep captain Mayan only. Next, S Server is also a middle order batsman only. 17 matches, 121 runs, 5 wickets. If he is there in this match, try to go with him. And S Malid is a very very important player from KCC side, and he will open the innings, and his stats are 19 matches, 331 runs and 16 wickets. Try to keep him as a captain or vice captain. It's your choice. V Gudpati is also a good all rounder. He will come to bat as the middle order batsman and he will bowl 2 hours, but I didn't get his stats. If I get his stats, I will inform you in my Telegram channel. And as Siddhant is a very good player and his stats are also very good. 16 matches, 185 runs, 27 wickets. Try to keep him main player. Don't go with him captain or vice captain. Try to keep only player because his stats are good, but if he didn't come to bat, then it will be waste. C Singh also a very good player. 5 matches, 63 runs. I think he will not bowl, but he will come to bat. It's your choice to take him or not. We will see the bowling side. Asha will be a good bowling pick for ECC side because he will bowl open innings and he will end the innings also in depth overs he will bowl. So try to pick him as an important player. U Nawaz is the one down batsman for ECC side, but he is the bowling side. He will bowl and he will bat also. His stats are 4 matches, 85 runs, 23 wickets. He is a very important player. Try to keep him as an important player. As Tej Penard is then very good bowling side from KCC side and his stats are 16 matches, 13 wickets. So try to pick him as an important player. D Appaji, yeah, I didn't get his stats. If I get the stats, I will inform you in my Telegram channel. B Dogola and his stats are 8 matches, 0 wickets, but I think he has a good record of domestic cricket. If he is there in this match, try to go with him. And K Rachakoda and is the very good bowler. If he is there in the match, try to go with him. And it's your choice only. As I said that important players, try to keep them captain and vice captain. As I said, I informed everything in all rounders and batting set. As I said, captain and vice captain choices are Imian, S Malid, G Swaroop. These are the 3 important players. Try to keep in them only captain only. Vice captain is your choice. As I explained in this video, you can go with anyone. And try to play the Grand League only because if you play the head-to-head matches, you may lose. These are the first matches. You try to invest less and try to play Grand League so that you can good amount. And I will show you the important players from both sides. These are the important players from both sides. ECC and KCC. R Shah, U Nawaz, W Ali, A Ali, T Ahmad, S Server, Z Kayan, A Ali. As I said, I explained every player in the video. So KCC side A Singh, V Gudpati, S Teja, S Tej, D Apaj, B Dogol, S Siddhant, C Singh, G Krishna. As I said, as in this list, I explained everything in the video only. So try to listen the video very carefully. And first match I got Grand League, mini Grand League 500, and this is the screenshot I am showing. And I get another one also. This is the 52 mini Grand League second position. So if you want teams, try to subscribe my channel. So I will give you the teams in my Telegram channel only. And if you like this video,